Hey guys, I'm back with the next additive in our Floetrol cell activator experiments. Today I'm testing out Watershed. It's a permanent waterproofing liquid by a company called Hairline Dubbin. This is activator number 2 of at least 12 additives that I'm testing out in Floetrol to create cells. So if you're just joining in, you're in luck. The first 4 activators that I'm experimenting with in this series are things used traditionally for fly fishing. They are applied to flies to make them either float or sink in the water. In the last video, I tested out one called Flygra. If you want to check that one out, I'll leave a link in the description. For these experiments, I'm using a combination of Floetrol and GAC 800 as my pouring medium mixture. I have this at about a 90% Floetrol to 10% GAC. I have the pouring medium mixed with acrylic paint in cadmium yellow light hue, pyrrole red, ultramarine blue, and titanium white. I mixed each color into large batches and split off from there to keep everything consistent across all tests. Once split, each color except white has 2 drops of activator added. I'm using a thin layer of the titanium white as a base in order to get the paints flowing and prevent cell distortion. The flip paints flow over the wet base better than the dry canvas. Having the base there will prevent the cells from hanging onto the dry parts of the canvas and flowing over each other when you go to stretch the paints. The Watershed seems to be way more heat reactive than the Flygra was. New cells formed each time I went over it with the torch. I love how active they are. The colors pushing at each other and exploding to reveal what's below. I find it incredibly satisfying to watch acrylic cells form. If you have any questions about what I'm doing in these experiments, or if you have a suggestion on an additive that you would like to see tested out, leave me a comment below. As I said earlier, I have at least 12 activator test subjects to bring you already. But cells are awesome, and I'm always on the hunt for the best ones. Alright guys, that's it from me today. I'm going to leave you to watch the magic happen. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!